Unlock the full potential of your late model Ford Powerstroke with the Edge EZX Module from XDP, an upgrade that puts control of your truck right at your fingertips. With power adjustability on the fly, simple installation, and a groundbreaking smartphone app, the EZX module offers gains of up to 63 horsepower and 108 foot-pounds of torque. This module is completely plug and play and has been engineered and developed specifically for daily driving and towing applications. Today, we're back in the XDP R&D Center to install the Edge EZX module into this 2020 Ford F-250 6.7 liter Powerstroke.
All right, we're gonna get started by removing the negative terminals off the batteries. Now to actually installing the Edge supplied harness. I got a couple connections to make under the hood here. First, I'm gonna start off with the mass airflow sensor connector. Just gonna have to slide up the red tag, push the clip in, and we're gonna put the Edge harness in line. Push that back down. In this truck, this is a white tag, not a red tag. Our next connection is going to be right there at the map sensor. Got to undo this top bracket, two 8mm bolts. Just gonna leave that loose. Get it out of my way. Same thing, slide the white tag back. And now, of course, it's a little stubborn, but release the clip. And now put the map connectors in line. Make sure that's clipped in fully. Slide the white clip down. And I'll plug that right into our map sensor. I'll leave this loose on the hood for now. I'll route that and tie that up neatly a little bit later. And now our final connection is going to be our fuel rail pressure sensor, which is below our intercooler pipes and on the front of the driver's side valve cover. All right, now that most things are done under the hood, next thing I need to do is route this harness through the firewall grommet on this driver's side. Now that's going to take the Edge harness from the engine compartment into the cab, but obviously a lot of these connectors are a little on the larger side. Nice thing Edge did here is they made a nice small main connector, disconnect. Now I could route this through the grommet into the cab, reconnect the short jumper cable here, and finish making my connections inside. Now, obviously I have the wheel well out, wheel off. None of this is necessary. This is just so I could show you the grommet I was talking about on the firewall. Now, there's options if you choose to untape this, try to sneak it through with the factory harness, put a little slit on top, run it through the grommet, however you choose. Just do not damage anything of the factory harness and be careful routing that through. All right, now that we routed the harness through the firewall, need to make our quick connections at the throttle pedal, the backside of the OBD 2 port, and then mount our Edge module right on the inside above the emergency brake pedal.
Now that the module is installed, you can access the features available for your truck within the innovative smartphone app, available for both Android and iOS devices. Simply download the app and elevate your driving experience with a range of customizable features. Once the app is installed, it may need to update the firmware. Simply launch the application and follow the prompts on the screen to ensure you have the latest version of the software. Once you enter the EZX app's main screen, you will see several different control options, the first of which is your power level. Inside the power level controls, you can choose from up to 6 different power levels, ranging from stock through level 5. To change your power level, simply select the desired level on the app and wait to see the confirmation from the speedometer on your dash. Edge also gives you the ability to adjust the throttle position on each one of the different power levels individually. To do this, you will select the desired power level. From there, select the number 1, and this will prompt a list of the different levels of sensitivity, including an economy mode, for those looking for a bit less sensitivity. This intuitive app also gives you the ability to adjust your truck's tire size for anyone looking to run larger or smaller tires. For trucks that have made a differential change, the EZX app also allows you to adjust your gear ratio. When enabled in the app, the fog high beam selection allows users to keep their fog lights on when the high beams are enabled, as the factory settings automatically shut off the fog lights whenever the high beams are activated. The ECT Protect function is a critical function that aids in the overall health of your truck's engine. This feature is designed to add power incrementally as the engine comes up to operating temperature, gradually adding power from 120 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as removing added power from 240 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit to protect your engine. The EZX app also includes a DPF regen feature. To use this function, your vehicle must be in park with the hood up to perform a manual regen cycle. This allows you to monitor your DPF levels and complete a manual regen after experiencing insufficient speed to allow regeneration to be carried out automatically by your engine's management control software. Simply open the app and select the DPF regen option and make sure the cycle reaches 100% completion before shutting down your truck. Reading and clearing trouble codes can also be done within the EZX app. If your truck is not throwing any trouble codes, the app will simply display no codes found. The last feature available in the app is your high idle settings. In order to access this, your vehicle must be in park. Simply click the cruise control button, and using the factory plus and minus controls on your steering wheel, you can adjust the engine idle level to your liking. You can also adjust your power levels through the factory steering wheel controls as well. The EZX app puts these comprehensive features right at your fingertips. Optimizing your vehicle's performance and ensuring its health has never been easier. The Edge EZX Module, where power meets precision and innovation meets your truck's full potential. To learn more and get one for your Ford 6.7-liter Powerstroke, check out xdp.com today.